Hello guys, I'm Rasmus and you're watching Slikhaar TV. I'm here in Slikhaar studio with Kenneth and Jacob. So, what are we gonna cut today?
Well, we're gonna cut a football-inspired hairstyle. I think we're going with some David De Gea.
Alright, and you're up for it, Kenneth?
Yes, let's do it.
Let's go.
So I like the little extra hold, so I'll start out by use the sidekick. So I was recommended these two, but since I like an extreme hold, I'm going with the Gold Digger because that's what I've used for the last couple of years.
Now the hairstyle is done. Kenneth did a great job, so how do you feel about it?
I'm really happy and it was super easy to do, so...
Alright, yeah, I saw Kenneth gave you some good advice here. And please guys, write it in the comment section down below if you'd like to win some products. Give it a like and hit the subscribe button and we'll pick a lucky winner next week. So stay tuned on this channel, Slikhaar TV. All right, guys. Yep.